OpenAI to update ChatGPT with internet access. Artificial intelligence is transactions. ChatGPT is the set to get another upgrade when it expands its capabilities to include up-to-date web browsing on the first update that OpenAI is rolling out for the chatbots. While ChatGPT has been wowing users with its abilities to generate text, its access to information was limited up to 2021, making it unable to adequately address timely queries. But OpenAI announced users of its paid ChatGPT Plus services will be getting access to web browser along with other plugins that will add more accessible to several popular commercial services. Internet user can already access from ChatGPT feature through its integrated into Microsoft Bing search engines, but the OpenAI upgraded will let users of the ChatGPT interfaces get text generation that include the most up-to-date information more from its internet. The upgrade comes after OpenAI CEO Sam Altman made his first appearance before Congress during the Senate hearing on AI technologies. Altman said that more powerful AI tools may need government regulations like licensing and testing requirements for modules and that meet a certain threats of capabilities. Will plugins will often chatbot access to commercial services. The web browsing ChatGPT is not it's the only upgrade that OpenAI has announced for ChatGPT Plus users. It also expanding access to plugin that will connect ChatGPT to several other popular internet services, including travel services, Expedia, and Kio grocery shopping apps, Instacart, computational power from Valform restaurant booking app, Open Tablet, and workflow automation services Zapier. In a post on its website, OpenAI said the paid user could would be seeing the new features of the next week. Altman assumed Congress of testing procedures says AI not ready to take most jobs. In his testimony, Altman stressed that OpenAI will undergo extensive testing and internal reviews from experts before their releases. Our deployment practices involve costly and gradually releasing new AI models with substantial safeguards in place to gradually large group of people making conventional improvement placed based on the lesson learned. Altman said in his written testimony. Trade on Go Anywhere Anything, one of the world's largest crypto assets exchange, is already you enjoy competitive fees and dedicated customer support while trading services. You will also have to access to Binance tools that make it easier than View.